So yun.
World champion ka na daw.
Hindi naman world
So
champion.
how are you doing in triathlon?
I'm okay. I was very active last year when the season was last year. We qualified. We went to Hawaii for the World Championships. Okay naman lahat.
How much time do you devote to training for the triathlon?
Oh, a lot. A lot. For triathlon, you really have to devote a lot of time to it if you
Hindi ba
wanna.
yan does that run in conflict with your schedule in show business?
Ano man, syempre showbiz is the taping work is always first, diba? So I have to adjust around my schedule with
So,
training.
sino na ngayon ang dinidate mo?
Dinidate ko? Wala eh.
Eh ano yung nasa yes daw? Na may ganun-ganun pa, di ba? Na may ganun-ganun. Ano daw ibig sabihin na?
Wala, nasa American kami nun eh, yung picture na yan. It was just pictures that we're taking there.
Ano bang tinanong niyo tungkol kay Sarah? Ayaw mong sagutin? Ayaw mong aminin?
Hindi, sinabi ko, from ano yan eh,
From ano,
America.
yes.
There
Yung
was,
kuha niya na.
Oh, no,
There
no,
was a
but
promo.
how are you and Sarah?
We're okay.
Friends?
Basta we're okay. We're okay.
Masyado ka evasive ah. I will take that as a yes.
Hindi naman, basta okay. You know, I told them kanina na sabi ko,
May wala ka pa sinabi sa amin kanina.
Oo, nga
hindi,
pala.
sinabi ko po, I really like to answer the question. Huwag umamin dyan, wala kami.
Wala kang inamin.
But, you know, I don't think it's the right time to answer it now eh.
Oh,
Why?
wala kang aminin kasi
When will be the right time to
I don't know,
answer it?
God will only know, God He knows.
Pero do you consider Sarah special? Parang gana.
Ay, she's a very special person, di ba?
Oh, yun na yun. Yung more na special, yun na yun.
Very special pa, hindi
Very
lang
special
Very,
na sila na.
very
As a person, she's very special. I think as a person, she's all the beautiful traits in her, and she's.
You think your family will accept her?
I don't know. It depends with them. I have to ask them. I don't know. Hindi ko alam.
Pero hindi mo sila, hindi mo pinakikilala
alam mo,
sa parents mo.
ang
Hindi pa nila
galing-galing niya
nakikilala
mag-avoid ng
Sure.
question.
Hindi pa nila personally.
Hindi pa nila namimit si Sarah. Ang tatay mo?
Ay, magsalita.
Di ba ng concert?
Hindi pa namimit ng
Alam
tatay
niyo
mo?
po, umayat kayo.
Mateo, pero pinapanood nila. Pero pinapanood nila yung mga shows ni Sarah.
Si ma'am, syempre kilala, pero hindi sila mahilig manood. Si papa, hindi. Hindi.
Ano kung alam nila si Sarah?
Oo naman, si mama. Oo.
Concert, hindi nanonood.
Nanood naman siya ng concert ni Sarah.
Alam ko anong sinasabi ng mother mo pagka sinasabi niya tungkol kay Sarah.
Ano ba?
Never mind. I know. Basta.
How do you know?
It's not the right time to tell you.
Thank you.